Ardgowan Farm, Municipal Road, Kowhitirangi. 220 hectare mid-range production dairy farm. Approx 194 hectares effective, milking 320 cows, self-contained this season with budgeted production 148,000 kgs milk solids. Property has been downsized this season with recent sale of 79 hectares. All stock wintered on farm, including bulls. 3-bedroom homestead, open plan living in good condition, with self-contained sleep out. Further 3-bedroom cottage with recent upgrades in good condition. 40-a-side herringbone cowshed with reed plant with meal feeders. Have grown maize in the past and grass silage made on. Feeding 200-tonne blends through shed and 200-tonne PK in troughs. Good shape and layout. This property is available going concern. Located in the highly productive Kowhitirangi Valley. This property represents good value in a desired location. Contact Vendor's Agent, Greg Daly Real Estate.